Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can create professional email. Means, for example, if you have a domain, say for example techanswer.com, so you can create admin@techanswer.com or contact@techanswer.com to look professional instead of gmail.com. So for that, you first need to open google.com on any browser. Just browse through workspace google. Okay, we are creating a professional email using Google Workspace for business. Remember, there is a free trial version for 14 days, and after that you need to take some premium subscription plans. See here, there is an option called free trial, so I want to go with free trial for this tutorial purpose. When I scroll down, where is this? Yeah, when you scroll down, you see here custom professional email. Click on that and click on professional email address, and this will leads to this page, and click on start free trial. So before that, just open your hosting provider, whichever it may be, your website hosting provider, and just try to log in there. See, I have account on GoDaddy, this TechAnswered website account on the GoDaddy. So I just logged in here, and I'll be clicking on the domain here for the domain settings. Okay, before going any further, you need to fill up these details on the workspace.google.com and give the size of your company and the business name here. So I'm just giving as tech answered as my business name, and click on next. And you can give the first name and the last name and current email address, and click on next. And see here, it is asking like whether you want a new domain or set up for existing domain. I have existing domain, so I'll be clicking on this and clicking on continue with this method. So I'll be copying the URL address of here, my website address, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, paste, then click on next. So use this domain to set up the account. Yes, fine, click on next. You'll use this username to sign into your Google Workspace. So whenever I want to visit workspace.google.com, I'm creating an username and an account. So maybe I'll be doing this admin@techonsult.com. This would be my professional email. So whichever you want, like contact us or whatever it may be, your name or anything. Okay, password, I'll be choosing one password now. Okay, if you read their terms and agreements, if you are okay with that, you can click on agree and continue. So it is showing up the plans here. For this tutorial purpose, I am going to try it for 14 days free version. Review and checkout, it is asking, and here you need to give your contact information, your place and address, your office address or wherever it may be. And after that, it will ask you for the payment method also for the next month after the free period, after the 14 days payment method. But right now I am leaving it to pay with internet banking only, means net banking only, or there are few other options like pay by UPI or QR code or pay with net banking. I'm just leaving it to pay with net banking, and click on agree and continue. And remember, I didn't give any card details or nothing like that. If you're okay with it, only proceed, or else simply stop here. Okay, yeah, review and checkout, it is saying, or maybe it is taking a bit time. Yeah, I think the account has been created successfully. Yes, setting up your Google Workspace, so it is created now. Yes, see here, it is showing like welcome Raj, let's get started. So this is my admin console of Google Workspace. Okay, see, uh, get set up, and here I'll have all the tools to create a professional email or other options. Okay, yeah, see here, once I reach my admin area, it is asking me to verify my domain, because Google wants to know whether I am the real user of this domain. So I'll be clicking on verify now. So I need to set up some DNS records. So let us set up your domain, verify that you own this website. Once we verify ownership, you can start using Google Workspace apps and unlock advanced features. Start using Gmail with your domain. Okay, so I'll be clicking on get started. Yeah, you can use two methods, switch to manual verification or sign into GoDaddy. This would be very easy. Okay, click on sign into GoDaddy. So as I'm already signed in, it is just asking to click on connect. This is a very fast setup. If not, I'll tell you the manual method also. Okay, getting your domain ready, right? In the manual verification process, yes, mine is GoDaddy, or choose whichever host you have. Click on continue, and it is asking you to add the txt record, right? How you can add the txt record? Just for a moment. See here, where is this? Click on the domain here at the left side. Okay, manage DNS. Then here you will find all the records, or you can add a new record. Simply you can click on add a new record and choose txt and follow the steps here. Set to default value. Okay, and the default value is at the rate. This is what mentioned here. Set it to default value. I need to copy this record and paste it over the value, and I need to keep it to the default, whatever the default it may be. This is what it is mentioned here. Set it to the default or the lowest value. Okay, right. Then I need to save this DNS record, right? Where is this? Okay, save this. See, when I give the at the rate, it is saying like record name already exists. So what I'll do is I'll be just giving a tech answer here, my domain name only. Okay, I'll be clicking on save, updating DNS record. Okay, that has been saved. Okay, now yeah, we'll check this. Your domain is verified, but this process is not manual, as I just signed into the GoDaddy and clicked on connect. Most probably you can use this method. If not, you can go for that manual method only. Just click on activate the email. So now you need to sign in here. Okay, start using Gmail within your domain. Okay, click on continue, and see here, this is my email ID what I have just created. I can click on, I can add another email ID, but I'll be opening my Edge browser here now, and here I'll be entering into the Gmail. Okay, I'll be giving this email address, admin@techonsert, and I need to enter the password what I have created earlier. Okay, see here, my email ID has been created. What I'll do is simply, just for the testing purpose, I'll compose an email. And I'll mail it to myself, to my regular Gmail ID, so that I'll test whether it is working. Okay, just for the test purpose, what I'll do is I'll be mailing myself. Okay, I'll be mailing myself. Click on send on the Chrome. This is my email ID. Okay, I'll just refresh this page. Is this email sent? Yes. Okay. Should I check in the spam folder or what? Yes, it has gone to the spam folder actually. Report not as spam. So Google thought it says, see here, admin@thecanswer.com. So this is how you can create professional emails using Google Workspace for free. But after 14 days, you need to take the subscription or the plans, purchase that. Okay. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.